If you want to know how you can buy Shiba Inu coin on Probit, then watch this video because I will even show you how you can buy it with Tron. This coin might be the next Dogecoin or Bitcoin. However, there are no guarantees because I'm not a financial advisor. The things I show in this video are purely for educational purpose. If you would wish to invest in any coin, please do make your research. Now let's do this, but please consider subscribing for more videos like this. The first step is to create an account on Probit. Once you've created an account on Probit and then you log in, your dashboard is going to look like this. You're gonna see exchange, exclusive. You can see all these stuffs here. You see your wallet, order, my page. So this is basically how it's going to look like once you are logged in. Okay, if you don't have a Probit account, please consider using the link in the description below this video to create an account on Probit. Okay, so once you've created an account and you are ready to buy Shiba Inu coins, then go over to Google Play Store and download their app. Okay, it is easier using their mobile app to buy coins. Okay, so what we're going to do is we'll go over to Play Store. So I am on Play Store, so you're going to search for Probit Global, okay, and make sure this shows up with this logo, okay, and then you download it. You can see it says here uninstall, okay, because I already have it downloaded. So yours, if you don't have it downloaded, you're just gonna download it. Okay, once it is downloaded, then you log into the app. So let's log in and then see how it looks like. So once you log into the app is going to look like this. Okay, I love the interface of the app. Okay, so this is basically how the app is going to look like. Now let's say we want to buy Probit, we want to buy Shiba Inu. What you're going to do is come here where it says wallet. So once I click that wallet, it's going to show me the coins I have here. You can see all the coins I have here. Okay, the ones I have. So I want to buy Shiba Inu. Now to buy Shiba Inu, you need USDT to buy Shiba Inu. Okay, so that's it. If you have shares USDT in some other wallet, maybe in your trust wallet or whatever wallet you have USDT, all you just have to do is to click here and click where it says deposit. Okay, so you are going to copy this address and paste it where you want to deposit from, and then you'll be able to send USDT here. Okay, but let's say you don't have USDT. Let's say you don't have USDT, or maybe you have Tron elsewhere. Okay, I would prefer you use Tron because of lower gas fees. Okay, so let's say you have Tron elsewhere. So all you need to do is to click Tron. Okay, deposit Tron here. Okay, copy this address, paste it in the other wallet, okay, and then send Tron over to this place. Okay, so once you've sent Tron here, you have Tron. What you're going to do is you're going to sell this Tron to get USDT so that you can use the USDT to buy Shiba Inu coins. Okay, does that make sense? For us to buy Shiba Inu, we need USDT. Okay, if you want to buy Shiba Inu on Probit, you need USDT. If you have USDT elsewhere, send it here. Okay, if you don't have it, let's say you have Tron elsewhere. Okay, send the Tron to this place and then you sell the Tron to get USDT. So let's do that very quickly. So I want to sell, let me show you how you can sell this Tron to get USDT. So you come to this place where it says exchange. You click exchange. Okay, click this USDT here, then it shows you all these coins here. So you search up here. So you're going to search TRX. Okay, so it's already showing. You can see it says TRX/USDT. So if I click that, it shows me buy, sell. So I'm gonna click sell. Okay, and now click sell. You can see I want to sell TRX. Now, whenever you click sell or buy, make sure you look at what is happening here, what is written here, so you know what you're doing. So now I know I want to sell TRX, okay, for UXDT. So when I sell this TRX, I'm gonna get UXDT, okay. So then here I need to click how much of the TRX I want to sell, if you want to sell 25%, you click 25%. If you want to sell 50%, you click 50%. If you want to sell 100%, you click 100%. Okay, so that's how you do it. You click and then you click sell. Once you click sell, you would sell your TRX, and then when we click here and go back, we would have if I go back to this place, to our wallet, okay, if I go back to our wallet here, then you would have USDT. So once you have USDT, okay, you have USDT in here, then you can go to this exchange and click exchange. Okay, again, we're gonna search, this time we're gonna search SHIB. Okay, so once we search SHIB, you can see it shows SHIB/USDT. We click that. So we have SHIB/USDT. This time around, we want to buy SHIB because we now have USDT. So I'm gonna click buy. So if I click that buy option, it's gonna show me that I'm buying SHIB. Like I told you, always look here to see what's happening. Okay, so you see I'm buying SHIB. Now it tells me my available USDT balance. Okay, good. So you just click 100% or 75%, whatever percent you want to sell. You click it in there, fill in these necessary details, and then you click buy, and that's it. Once you click buy, you would buy USDT. Okay, so once we click buy and then you go back to this place, go back here and then go back to wallets and check your wallets, then you would see that the SHIB would be showing here. So this is simple and this is easy. This is how you can buy Shiba Inu coins on Probit. Okay, I did a video showing you how you can buy Shiba Inu coins on Binance. Okay, if you've not seen that video, I'll leave a link to that video in the description below this video, so you can also check it out. Maybe you don't have a Probit account, or you have Binance account, you have a Binance account and you want to know how you can buy it on Binance. Make sure you watch that video, guys. So I also did a video also showing you how you can sell Shiba Inu. Okay, it's worth knowing how you can sell it in case, okay, this multiplies in value. Okay, in case this somehow in the nearest future becomes lucrative. Okay, so you might want to watch that video to see how you can sell it. I'll also leave a link in the description below this video so that you'll be able to watch that video, guys. So this is it. It's your guy Ken. It's Brigxel Bees signing out.